High-quality tools made by GEDORE. Since 1919, this name has stood for know-how, technical competence, and the highest quality, made in Germany. Precision tools made for life by competent specialists in an environmentally friendly way. GEDORE Tools for Life. Today, still a family-owned company which was founded in Remscheid in 1919 by the brothers Otto, Karl, and Willy Dovidat, the GEDORE tool plants have developed into an international group of companies with production facilities and sales offices around the world. The works in Brazil, South Africa, and Turkey produce exclusively for the markets in those countries. The GEDORE Group has 3,000 employees worldwide, of which 600 work at the headquarters in Remscheid. In addition, there are plants in Solingen, Waldkirchen, Förderstedt, Donau-Eschingen, Vaihingen-Enz, Great Britain, and Austria. The product line is comprised of 18,000 items, professional quality tools meeting the highest demands. Tools for life, made in Germany. High-grade flat bar steel, cleaved on eccentric presses, is the basic raw material for GEDORE combination spanners. The traditional forge is the beating heart of this company. Here, with electronically controlled forging temperatures and enormous impact energy of 2.65 to 125 kilojoules, the cropped pieces are heated to about 1250 degrees and then repeatedly compressed and formed. In this way, for example, the spanners receive their desired form. Following the heating and stretch forming of the blanks, the forging of large slogging spanners takes place next on the second largest hammer in the world. The blacksmith is a highly qualified specialist, trained within the GEDORE company itself, whose forging art is an ancient handcraft marked by modern techniques. After the forging procedure, the spanners are deburred. In addition to the craftsmanship involved, in some areas, such as the production of wheel wrenches, robot technology is used. Blacksmithing of the 21st century. High-grade round bar steel, cut and heated inductively to forging temperature, is processed fully automatically on forging presses into sockets. Today, a large part of the grinding work is done by modern grinding robots, which process the open ends, shafts, and ring heads of the spanners fully automatically. Finally, with the sure hand and trained eye of an experienced fine grinder, the finishing touches are performed on the pieces. More than 20 production steps, from turning, milling, and reaming, all the way to electroplating, determine the final form and surface of the tools. In the electroplating shop, all aspects of the production come together. Here the tools receive a dive, so to speak, in an electrolytic bath, where they are provided with corrosion protection of nickel and chrome. Real-time production-related quality controls confirm the desired material qualities. As with the central sales, marketing, service, and logistics of the GEDORE Tool Center KG, the individual production facilities of the GEDORE Tool Group are certified in accordance with DIN ISO 9001. Experienced technicians and designers develop and construct the GEDORE tool program on state-of-the-art CAD workplaces. In the modern logistics center at the Remscheid headquarters, the products of the GEDORE Group are stocked, picked, and packed. Products ordered are picked and transferred fully automatically via conveyor belt to be packed, labeled, and scanned before being shipped to their final destinations. In the end, these top-quality GEDORE tools leave the plant with the label, "Quality Made in Germany, Made in Remscheid." Highlights from our production area include, for example, the ultra-modern machining center plant, METEC. Here, metal sheeting for tool trolleys are pulled from stock and bored, punched, and bent formed fully automatically. Then a welding robot takes over the processing. The tool trolley blanks then move on to the environmentally friendly, completely automatic powder coating unit. A specialty of GEDORE is the production of high-quality pliers in several plants, as well as their intensive heat treatment in annealing, curing, and tempering furnaces. Tooth treatment the GEDORE way. Because of the extreme forces the plier beaks are later exposed to, they are additionally gas tempered. Side cutters and combination pliers are inductively tempered before their cutting edges are sharpened. The sharpening of the pliers and side cutters literally takes place today multilaterally on modern robot systems. The tampon printing and affixing of the handle covers, as well as the oiling of the plier hinges with a tiny dot of oil, and the concluding laser etching of the trademark take place in one production step. In the forge, the heads of the GEDORE engineers' ball peen hammers receive their unmistakable forms. Simultaneously, the shafts of the hammers made of hickory are milled, smoothed, and polished. At a number of linked stations, the axe heads are forged until the necessary wedge shape is attained. With craftsmanship and technical know-how, the axe heads and handles are mounted and, through the proven Rotband Plus system, joined with one another. Before receiving the respected Ochsenkopf trademark. With the highest degree of precision and calibrated with an expert eye, gear wheels for the planetary drives of high-speed torque wrenches are stamped. We precisely calibrate our torque wrenches in our own calibration laboratory before they receive the appropriate test certificates. With about 3,000 employees worldwide, of which 800 are in Remscheid, at every production plant, GEDORE is a leading employer and training facility with qualified instructors, especially in the central area of tool manufacturing. In the aerospace sector, GEDORE tools are the perfect assist when it comes to assembly work. Providing high-tech solutions for the workshop of tomorrow. In locomotive shop facilities, GEDORE tools and tool trolleys are used for the repair, service, and general maintenance of diesel locomotives, their motors, undercarriages, and gear train assemblies. In numerous automobile, truck, and bus repair shops, GEDORE tools are a guarantee for high-quality maintenance and repair work. We really understand our business. When it comes to building ships, GEDORE tools are used on the rudder engines, diesel motors, and valves. In every aspect where safety and dependability of tools is vital. This is especially true for the use of heavy impact tools and spanners on the anchor windlass. In industry, in vehicle repair shops, in agriculture, or here in market gardening, in any place where machines need to be serviced or repaired, extractors made by the GEDORE Group provide easy-on-material solutions for parts that have seized up. GEDORE precision engineering tools are used wherever precision in extremely small places is required. For example, here in an optician's workshop. In forestry, as well as in timber sports, wedges, axes, and other forestry tools of the Ochsenkopf brand are indispensable aids when it comes to the felling, limbing, and processing of trees. With the Bundeswehr and other military forces, the torque wrenches from GEDORE play an important role in the security of armored vehicles. In the heating, air conditioning, and sanitation branches, the GEDORE Group offers proven solutions to problems such as hydraulic presses for the bending of pipes. When human strength is not enough, high-speed torque wrenches provide the optimum transmission of power.